Hello students. So today I'm here with module 4 of chapter 3, Food We Eat. So I'm sharing my screen. Module 4, Food We Eat. First of all, we will revise what we did in the previous module. So in the previous module, we learned what are bodybuilding food. So bodybuilding food are the food items which help our body to grow, which help in our growth. So bodybuilding food items are very important for children. Milk, eggs, cheese, beans, pulses, fish, these are all bodybuilding food. And what nutrients are there in bodybuilding food? Proteins. Proteins are there in bodybuilding food. Okay. Now, today, there are some examples also given for bodybuilding food. Some pictures you can see: milk, cheese, curd, pulses, fish, meat. I'd also given you worksheet 2 in the previous module. There were 2 new words, bodybuilding and nutrients. And there was this question: how do bodybuilding food items help our body? So the answer is bodybuilding food items help our body to grow and repair its wear and tear. So there are 2 points. You can write these points separately also, 2 separate points, or you can write in one sentence also. So the way I have written in one sentence, this way also you can write, and you can write in 2 points also. Now let's move ahead. Today we will learn about protective food. Do you know food protects us from falling sick? Green leafy vegetables and fruits like guavas, mangoes, lychees, bananas, etc. are called protective food. Milk and milk products are also protective foods. Eating protective food items prevent us from falling sick often. Okay, so if we are taking these protective food items regularly, if we are eating vegetables regularly, if we are eating fruits regularly, we are safe from diseases. Okay, we will not be sick often. We'll be sick very rare, because the nutrients which are found in fruits and vegetables and milk product, these nutrients fight for our body. They save our body, just like the soldiers. Okay, like the soldiers save us from enemies, the same way the protective nutrients, which are vitamins and minerals, they protect us from the diseases. So they are like our soldiers of the body. Okay, so here you can see some protective food items: spinach, tomato, banana, watermelon, mango, brinjal. So these are fruits and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. They should be eaten fresh and washed well before use. Vitamins and minerals help us to keep fit and healthy. Vitamins are like the soldiers of our body. They protect you from diseases and infections and help the organs grow and function properly. Okay? Now there are many vitamins and minerals, but I'll tell you only few to you, some important ones. Vitamin A, it is good for our skin. Okay, it helps us to have a healthy skin, a healthy vision. Vision means our eyesight. Okay, so vitamin A is important for our eyesight. Vitamin C, it's important for healthy teeth, healthy bones. And if we talk about minerals, calcium. Calcium, it builds strong bones and teeth. Iron, it helps our blood to transport oxygen to all the body parts. So iron is important for blood. Okay, so these are some just four important vitamins and minerals. Here are some more fruits. Fruit is a part of a plant which contains seed. Okay, fruit is a part of a plant. Yes. What is fruit? Fruit is made from the flower, and inside the fruit there is seed, and from the seed grows the new plant. So fruit is a part of plant which has the seed, and some fruits we eat. Fruits are liked and eaten by people everywhere. So you can see here grapes, orange, guava, papaya, pineapple, mango. Some fruits are soft and pulpy, like banana and mango. They have pulp inside them. They are soft and they are pulpy. There's lots of pulp in them. And some are hard, juicy, and crunchy, like apple, pineapple, and pear. They are hard. Bananas and mangoes are soft. Fruits help us to stay strong and healthy. They give us lots of vitamins. Cherry, strawberry, apple, watermelon, banana, pomegranate. These are all fruits and they are very good for our health. Okay. Fruits can be had in the form of juice, salad, and dessert, isn't it? You have fruit juices also, you have fruit salad also, there are many desserts also made by fruit, like in the summers right now you're having many types of these ice creams and custards made up of fruits, like mango custards, mango ice creams, isn't it? So fruits can be had in many forms, even jams, jellies. Yes. Some fruits like strawberry, cherry, and grapes are small. And so fruits like jackfruit, papaya, and watermelon, they are big. You're having a lot of watermelon these days in summers. And mangoes also, yes, of course, mangoes also. Mixed fruit jam and marmalade are made with fruits. Dry fruits like almonds, cashew nuts, raisins are equally tasty. Dried grapes are called raisins. Raisins. Do mama puts raisins in sweets? Yes, which you also call kishmish. Okay, so these are dried grapes. Fine. Now let's talk about vegetables. Vegetables help our body fight various diseases, again, just like fruits. They also have vitamins and minerals. They are tasty and colorful. Green leafy vegetables are rich in iron. As I told you, iron is an important mineral which helps our blood to transport the oxygen. Vegetables can be eaten raw or cooked. Some vegetables we eat raw, like cucumber, like Tomato also, sometimes we eat raw tomato, isn't it? And some we have to cook, like potato, we have to cook potato. We can't eat it raw, isn't it? Brinjal, we have to cook it. Cauliflower, we have to cook it. But some we can eat raw also. Vegetables, now there are some pictures of vegetables. A plant or part of a plant used as food is called as vegetable. Now we use various parts of plants as vegetables. Like if we talk about spinach, these are the leaves of the spinach plant. So we are eating the leaves of the spinach plant. If we talk about broccoli, we are eating the flower of the broccoli plant. Ladyfinger, it is the fruit of the ladyfinger plant. Okay, cauliflower, again the flower of the cauliflower plant. So we eat various parts of plants as vegetables. Some plants leaves we eat, some plants stems we eat, some plants roots we eat like carrot, radish. Okay, vegetables provide protein, vitamins and carbohydrates. They help the body to stay strong and healthy. Turnip, potato, beans, onions, beetroot, carrot. These are some very good vegetables, good for health. Now let's come to milk. So children, I've told you that when I told you about energy giving food, in that also I told that milk gives an energy. Milk gives us energy. When we talked about bodybuilding food, that time also I told you that milk uh, helps in the growth of the body. It is a bodybuilding food. And yes, milk is a protective food also. So milk is energy giving also, milk is bodybuilding also, and milk is protective food also. It is a complete food. Okay, it comes under all the three types. So milk is a natural, nutritious and wholesome food. It contains protein, fat and carbohydrates. It has vitamins and minerals as well. So see, it has proteins also, it has carbohydrate also, it has vitamins and minerals also. So protein means bodybuilding nutrients, carbohydrate means fats and carbohydrate means energy giving nutrients, and vitamins and minerals means protective nutrients. So it has all the three types of nutrients. Milk contains calcium, which makes our teeth and bones strong. Okay. Now, what are milk products? Products made from milk are called dairy products. So, we get many things from milk. Many things are made by milk. The dairy products in India are khova. What is khova? Have you heard of word mawa? Mawa ki barfi, you eat mawa sweets, isn't it? So that is khova. We also call it khova. Then paneer, butter, ghee, curd, cheese, and cream. These are all milk products. These are all made by milk. Yes, cheese, cream, ghee, the things which we use very, very regularly, butter, they all are made up of milk. Okay. So here we come to the end of this module, protective food. I hope you have understood that we get protective nutrients from the protective food items, and they are in fruits. Protective food nutrients are in fruits, vegetables, and milk and milk products. And what are the protective nutrients? They are vitamins and minerals. And what is their work? Their work is to protect our body from diseases. They are like the soldiers of the body. So it is very, very important to have protective food. Now here comes your worksheet 3. So today your new word is protective. You have to write 2 times in your notebook. Then your question C. Why some food items are called as protective food? Why do you call them protective food? I just told you. So you have to recall an answer and name any 4 protective food items. You can tell any 4 protective food items. You can write the names of the fruits, vegetables, you can write milk products. Okay, so you have many names. So I hope you have understood this, and in the next module, I'll come up with the new topic, balanced diet. Okay, till then, revise the chapter and bye-bye. Take care.